Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the letter U. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Here it is, the letter U. It looks like a big open bowl or a smiley face turned upside down. Can you see how it's shaped like a curve that dips down and comes back up? That's the letter U. Can you say U? Now, it's time to color our letter U. We'll use the color brown. Brown is warm and earthy, just like the letter U. Grab your brown crayon and color in the letter U with smooth, even strokes. Great job! The letter U looks awesome in brown. Now let's learn about a fun word that starts with U. Guess what else starts with the letter U? An umbrella. Umbrellas help keep us dry when it rains and can be very colorful and fun. Let's color our umbrella now. We're going to use the color orange. Orange is bright and cheerful, just like a sunny day. Grab your orange crayon and color in the umbrella's top and handle. Look at that! Our brown letter U and our bright orange umbrella are all done. You did an amazing job. Today we learned that the letter U is like a smiley face turned upside down. We colored the letter U in brown and our umbrella in orange. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing your letters and have fun with your colors. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter U and coloring our umbrella. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.